Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. Today I'm going to do a really quick and easy New Year's rock lettering design for you. You can paint this on any style of rock you want. I'm doing this on a nice white rock. You can base coat your rock white. If you don't have any white rocks, and that works just as well. So the first thing we're going to do is just add some fun gold. The whole rock is going to be black and gold. So we're just going to add some fun gold in the background of our rock. And you can do this by creating little spirals and loops and things along that line. So I'm just going to quickly kind of create these little fun, almost like, you know, confetti shooting off type things around our rock that will be kind of peeking out from behind our letters. Just like that, super simple. And now we're gonna write on our rock. Now, this is a very basic design that you can replicate. Once you see how it's done, you can kind of customize this too to make it a little bit different and unique if you want to do a bunch of these rocks. So we're going to create the first letter of each of our phrase, our Happy New Year, a larger size, like a block style letter. Now, if you're not comfortable with block style letters, I'll show you a little trick that you can do, especially if you're going to fill in your letters. Draw your letter first. So I'm going to do an H here. So just draw a normal H, like you would, and then you're going to go around each of the shapes with a rectangle, like that. Just like that, and then you fill it in, and you'll have a nice large block letter shape that you can work with. Now you could do these in any color you want. If you prefer silver, I just love black and gold for New Year's. So that's the colors that I chose. I like something with some sparkle. So a metallic color I think works really well for this. Okay. You fill it in all the way. And you've got a nice block style letter. So I'm gonna do my N and my Y below this, but I will speed that up. I'll let you watch, but I'll do it sped up a little bit for you. Once you have your big block style letters on here, the rest of the words, I'm just gonna do a standard, almost quick style cursive. You could do these in just regular letters as well if you're not comfortable with cursive lettering or with pulling your thing. Now, when I write with these pens, I actually end up picking them up a lot more than you normally would, just so you don't splatter or anything when you're writing. So when I do my A, I'll kind of swoop down, pick up, swoop down. So you can kind of come up, just lifting occasionally, just so that you don't accidentally splatter your pens. Very light touch. Just like that. My Y looks a little thin. I'm gonna thicken that up a little bit. That's why I kind of moved it over a little bit. Now we're gonna add some fun designs in our larger letters here. I'm gonna add also an exclamation mark. Now for the letters, I'm just gonna do a quick diagonal line. Now I'm gonna go all the way to the edge, and then we'll go and outline them again with the black. Make sure your black is completely dry before you go in with any other colors. You could do polka dots, you could do checkers. I'm just gonna do a diagonal line to contrast with the swirls in the background. So I'll do the H. I know I've got to go pretty up and down here, so I'll make sure to show you here at the end in case you can't see. But we're gonna go all the way to that outline. because it's easier to reline it afterwards. Than to try to just kind of have an equal outline, stopping and picking up your pen. And we're gonna let that go dry, and then we're gonna go just right along the edge of our letters just to give it a crisp black outline, and that way the lines don't run into your background at all. I will show you one letter and then I will speed the rest of it up here. So again, holding your pen at a slight angle. I always say that the paint wants to go on the rock, so you don't have to press down hard. If you press down hard, look how much thicker that line is. And you can get it nice and thin if you just give a nice light pressure to it. So just go right along that outline. And since they're big block letters, you won't have any curves on these. Works for this lettering. Just do one line at a time. And see how it separates that gold from the background. Just a smidge. Just like that. We'll do these other two letters and then I'll show it to you here at the end. And there you have it. You could add the year on this. I'm gonna keep this without the year on it just so it can be out in the rock painting world for more than a year. It could be something that people re-hide each year. If they find it, they can keep it a while and then put it out the next New Year's season. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick and easy New Year's Eve design, or New Year's Day design, I guess you could say. We'll link to more videos here at the end. Thanks again for watching. The thumbs ups are appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Have a great day. Bye-bye.